In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can integrate ClickUp with Jira. So without further ado, let's begin. First, what we're going to use is go to zapier.com and log into our Zapier account. This is where we can make the integration between ClickUp and Jira happen. So simply click on create, then click on Zap. This is where we can make the integration. From here, let's describe our workflow for the Copilot to help us with making our integration. So connect ClickUp with Jira, then enter. Now, the Copilot or the AI would automatically give us options to help us with this integration. Now, we only need to answer the questions that it gives right here. So you can see which direction do you want to sync. Then, let's make it as is to when a new task is created in ClickUp. Enter. Now, wait for it to finish analyzing. New task is triggered. So you can see now we have a prompt right here. We should be done very soon. Now, once you see this, it means the only thing left for you is to connect with your Jira and your ClickUp accounts. So let's sign into our Jira account. Then, once you log in right here, it should see and prompt right here that you're connected, and you can now use this integration in which you've connected ClickUp with Jira. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.